this model is our LD-6000 model. This one is with the table moving, and this one with the box screw transmission. So its accuracy is higher than the gantry moving. And this one with the big power Chinese spindle. This with 7.5 kilowatts. And you also can be used high-tech or SSD spindle from Italy. And this one with a big control cabinet design with a Weihong NK300 control system. And this one also very easy to operate. And our engineer will teach you how to cutting the material with the highlight, and will training the software fully. And this machine our standard is with the Yasukawa servo motor from Japan, and also coming with the Innovance servo motor from Italy. With the lead sign servo motor is for your choice. And this one also with the vacuum table, and the Chinese 7.5 kilowatts air vacuum pump. And the Baker vacuum pump is for your choice also. And this one with the 7.5 kilowatt Chinese spindle with a big power. So when you cutting the material, no matter the acrylic, aluminum, copper, PVC, MDF, all is okay. And this spindle holder is with the aircraft aluminum, and ensure the machine with high accuracy when it works. And this one with the big dust cover ensure the scale get real with the high precision. So the machine can use a long time without damage. This is our acrylic sample highlight effecting like this.